Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how you are going to make $1 million or more in the markets. This pretty much is going to depend on the size of your capital, and therefore you can eventually make less, but the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades. Hi, Alex here with Morgan Stanley and Tesla. So this is a work of a genius. I'm going to explain what did we do once the company reported earnings. They reported a very good quarter, and we downgraded Morgan Stanley to strong sell, recommending to sell entirely long-term positions, reversing to the short side. And why did we do it? Well, firstly, because the markets, they were going to collapse. Therefore, what we did was to inform everyone for free with regards to this matter. Secondly, Morgan Stanley is the company that last year, in 2019, downgraded Tesla to junk with a price target, worst case scenario, $10, when we were upgrading Tesla to strong buy, making it available on the blog in real time at a price of $179.40. For that same reason, once Morgan Stanley in 2020 came out and saying now we are bullish Tesla because Tesla bull case is up to $1,200, we downgraded Morgan Stanley to strong sell. Within a matter of 2 weeks, the share price collapsed, and therefore you know why all this happened. Having said this, if you visit our blog, what we did was to inform users worldwide that we were precisely downgrading and reversing to the short side once Morgan Stanley finally turned bullish Tesla. You can Google it. There is an article from Morgan Stanley. Precisely at the very top, they turned bullish, saying that Tesla could go up to $1,200. We consider that announcement a red flag. And therefore, by downgrading Tesla, reversing to the short side, and also downgrading then to junk or to strong sell, in the end, it does not matter here the rating, Tesla share price immediately collapsed. Therefore, all the Americans that they invested in Tesla, they lost everything, as well as those that they sold short the stock last year on Morgan Stanley downgrade, they lost everything. This is how you confirm, as I've been discussing for more than 3 decades, Americans are native scammers. They exist to scam you, and you have the confirmation precisely in thousands and thousands of consecutive calls made available on the web. So here you have the chart, what did happen to Morgan Stanley. And I'm going to finalize by saying that there is also a chart that is public. We upgraded the Morgan Stanley to strong buy at a price of $13 several years ago, referring to it as one of the best investments in the banking sector. So this is not about being bearish or bullish Morgan Stanley. It's about long-term investment process that we refer to continuously free, and therefore you had here the opportunity by following the instructions to make whatever you want, the millions and millions of dollars in profits, because the charts, they have been public for a long period of time. So when the Americans, they turned bullish the US stock market, like I explained with Wall Street raising price targets, what we did was to dump and to downgrade, and therefore you have seen continuous circuit breakers in the US stock market with continuous crashes, and for the first time in history, double Black Monday. Okay, so I'm going to put it here for your reference, since this is historical. Double Black Monday, while these American clocks, they lost everything. Okay, double Black Monday. The stock immediately crashed. Morgan Stanley as well as Tesla. Congratulations.